Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Rockstar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, here's a trade that we had this morning in the Rockstar Room. It was on BWP, Boardwalk Pipeline Partners. They got crushed at opening when they cut their distribution by 80%. And here it is in pre-market, and in fact, right here on the hard right edge is the 930 line. And it had been falling, and it did a bear pullback, and it was now doing a small bear pullback at the new low of morning. So let's take a look at what a bear pullback is. If you want to know more about it, just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Right there, free chart school. And here's, you want to go to pullback sell, also known as a bear pullback. There's a description of it, and here's a picture where it runs down, and then it starts to pull up to a line of resistance and starts to roll over. It continues to roll over. It is a bearish formation. Here it had run down here, and it was starting to roll back up right to this 8 EMA. So let's see what happened next. I set my order right here just below that low of morning. And what happened next? Ding, ding, ding. The market opens, and bam, there we go. And I'm now in at $15.48. I am short BWP. Alrighty, let's move this up so we can follow the trade and see what happens next. And bam, 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 there it goes. And then now it came down here, a low base here, now at a new low of morning, as well as new low since opening. And then it continues to go down, and bam, there we go. So there was low basing, low basing. Bam, I love it when that happens, especially when we're already short. Came down here, and it's coming down. So I'm moving my stop down here along that 8 EMA. There's a way to do it, and then all of a sudden, and what happened next was kaboom on one candle. It jumped over 1%, almost 2% on one candle, and stopped me out. Oh well, I had to settle for 3.7% in 18 minutes. Hooah! I love it when that happens. In fact, we had 11 of 14 called trades in the Rockstar Room this morning for a total of 9.4%, and that's net on all of them. And it was nice because we were able to move many of our stops till we had risk-free trades most of the morning. I love it when that happens too. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffer. Just remember, as Mark Douglas says in his book, Trading in the Zone, that each trade is a separate and unique event, even if you're trading the same stock over and over again. Trade well.